It's good, just slowly. When you finish, put one here, one there, one there. Back to your seat. I don't know. Let's see.
ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, നമസ്കാരം. എല്ലാവരും സേഫ് ആയിരിക്കുന്നു എന്ന് വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. ഇന്നത്തെ നമ്മുടെ വീഡിയോ ദുബായ് ക്രീക്ക് പാർക്കിലെ ബേർഡ് ഷോയുടെ ഒരു വീഡിയോ ആണ്. ഇത് കുട്ടികൾക്ക് വളരെയധികം എൻജോയ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റിയ ഒരു ഷോയാണ് കേട്ടോ. ഇതിലൊരുപാട് വെറൈറ്റി പക്ഷികളെ കൊണ്ട് ഇവർ പല ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസ് ചെയ്യിക്കുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ കുട്ടികളൊക്കെ വളരെ ത്രില്ലിംഗ് ആയിട്ട് ഇത് കണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത് കാണാൻ നല്ല രസമായിരുന്നു കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ ടൈമിംഗ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എല്ലാ ദിവസവും 12:15, 3:15, 7:15 അങ്ങനെ 3 ഷോയാണുള്ളത്. അത് 30 മിനിറ്റിൻ്റെ ഒരു ഷോയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിന് ഉള്ള എൻട്രി ഫീ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 2 വയസ്സ് തുടങ്ങി 11 വയസ്സ് വരെയുള്ള കുട്ടികൾക്ക് 30 UAE ദിർഹം, അഡൾട്ടിന് 50 UAE ദിർഹമാണ് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ ഈ വീഡിയോ കണ്ടിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും അതുപോലെ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനും ഫാമിലി മെമ്പേഴ്സിനും ഒക്കെ ഒന്ന് ഷെയർ ചെയ്ത് തന്നെ സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. അതുപോലെ എൻ്റെ ചാനൽ ആദ്യമായി കാണുന്ന കൂട്ടുകാരാരെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എൻ്റെ ചാനൽ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്ത് ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ എനേബിൾ ചെയ്ത് ഓൾ എന്നുള്ള ഓപ്ഷൻ ഒന്ന് ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്ത് പോകാനും മറക്കരുത് കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ആ രസകരമായ വീഡിയോ ഒന്ന് കാണാം.
For our mother and for every welcome from Australia. It's Pinky Chris Cockatoo. From India, the Red Ring. From Africa, come on everybody, clap your hands. Your heart, give me. And slow. Keep moving. All right, now kids, we go with color yellow, mango, color green, avocado. We talk color red, apple. We talk color blue, my uniform blueberries. Now all the kids, if you do this, your mommy, your daddy will be very happy. Look, clean your own mess. Hey, cleaning is very important. Recycling. And do not forget, after cleaning, what do? Close the dustbin. Bravo!
Coco, say hello to everybody in Arabic.
Walaikum salam to everybody. Coco, what do we ask the good people?
Hello everybody, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, we're doing very well. Show them who is your best friend. The cat. Who takes your food and run outside the house? Doggy. Coco, also show them when you see a beautiful lady, what do? Only kidding. Imagine all kids have their birthday today. What do we sing to them?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
MashaAllah, everybody clap loud and say happy birthday. Okay, when we go home, what do we say to our friends?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. This is Marlon and the African Coco. Senkia. When you're ready, this is JJ. Bravo. Good job, kids. Sit down. 2 last round. The big boys. Salute. Thank you. Come on, everybody. Clap it up for the kids. I'm going to show you some pictures. I want you to pick up one and hide it. Don't show me. You go first. Take it out. Okay. Choose one. Take it out. Friends, I have no idea what they have got. When I say 1, 2, 3, you can show your cards to everybody but not to our team. 1, 2, show it to everybody. And hide it when you're done. Give it to me without showing it. I will put it somewhere inside and somewhere inside. Thank you guys. Have a seat. Everybody look. I will put the cards on the table the way I put it out without showing the birds the picture. One line. Let's see if the bird is able to pick up the cards without looking at the picture. If it's right, clap your hand to the bird. Let's go. Here comes Jerry. Today we looking for 2 cards. I think I know the first card. It's a dog. I have an idea. Take it up for it. And let's find out what is this. A Macau. Right? Okay. Let's guess for the second animal. I think it's a cat. He's looking. And he's got the second card. What is it? Panda! Right? Yay! That is Jerry and that is trainer Tiamors. Welcome the toucans to Kano. Look at me, friends. I will put some food in my hand. We're gonna fly down together. A bird will fly to your hand to eat the food just like this. We'll sit, we'll eat, and then you close your palm. It flies back to the trainer. Coming up. Okay, I want you to just stand up and raise your right hand like this. What's your good name? Lamia, keep your hand like this. Lamia, we have a rule. Do not eat the bird's food, okay? Keep it up like this. Lamia, keep smiling. Now, which one is the boy? Which one is the girl? It's very simple. The one flying, she is the girl. How do you know it? By the size of the mouth. The small mouth is always the girl. The big mouth is always the boy. Thank you, Lamia. Let's welcome the national bird of this country. The greatest hunter in the air. The Falcon's family, Eugene, the hawk. There he is. Now, they are very great in hunting. I want everybody to keep your eyes on the trainer. Take it up for them. Trainers will demonstrate wearing a gloves. These birds are flying greatest all the way. Flying check. Catch it. That's what we are talking. They hunt like a lion. They are awesome. Take it up all set. After the show, you can also take picture with these birds. We talk about the national bird together for it. Where they fly, greatest hunter. Catch it up all the way. Catch. They are awesome. Take it for the fantastic skills. Here they are. Team white. Who is the other team joining? Green. Okay. 1, 2, go. Come on, white. Hey, white. Come on, green. Come on, let's green leading. Let's go. Nice. Okay. So DJ, we have 1 point for your team, green. My team is 0. Clap it up for green team. Green 1 point, but we play 3 rounds. So round number 2, basketball on the table. Okay, my team is green this time. Green is my team. 1, 2, go! Come on, Gray. Let's support Gray for some time. Keep it going. Which team win? So let's see who is gonna win the last round, okay? Let's play for it. 1, 2, go! We're gonna keep moving. Come on, one down. Oh yes, come on, Gray. 2 down. Where is my team? We are welcoming John Picasso. John Picasso is a white silvery Chris cockatoo, belong around all the world. Papua New Guinea, Brazil, Australia. How do you know the boy and the girl? It's very simple. It's by the color of the eye. If the eye of these birds are fully black like him, it's a boy. If the eye turns to be red shaded, it's a girl. Today, I'm also going to share you one more good news. This is trainer Merlin. I want everybody to clap your hands for her because next week, she is getting married. Wait. You don't look so happy. Can you drop your mask, please? What's your name? Vinod. Mr. Vinod, she is getting married next week. What is your one advice for her? She's listening. Yeah. Keep quiet. What is my advice? My advice is run away. Okay, have a look. Take it up. Raise your hands. Yes. What do you think it looks like? Like a parrot. A rainbow. Butterfly, paint follow. Yes, Shichufu. Flower, yes. Flower. For me, it's like some fire. Let's ask the bird, what is this exactly? John, they said it's a flower. Okay, I said fire. Huh? No. Okay. They said some rainbow. Huh? What, this butterfly? Hey, is this butterfly? Everybody, raise it up. We fly to South Africa. We are about to ride a big bicycle, gold and blue Macau. Here we are. Come on, everybody, push it up. Push, push, push. We are talking about the third largest planet in the world, the gold and blue Macau. The Macau's family of 16 species. We said the Raja, yellow dice, Habibi, yellow dice. Okay, the boy in the blue, come down. We'll give you a chance to do it together. Let's see if she can find it for us all the way. This time the boy is gonna shuffle. Go that side, bro. I want you to shuffle the cups, yes. It's good, just slowly. When you finish, put one here, one there, one there. Back to your seat. I don't know. Let's see if the bird can find this time. Thank you. Sit down. Blue, where's the ball? Yay! He found it. Everybody clap it up for Tiamor, the gold and blue Macau, the largest eagle in the world. Andre the Giant. Andre the Giant is the world's largest stellar sea eagle. It's a Russian eagle. The only one eagle in Dubai today. It is with us. He is so big, but you will be surprised to know that is only a baby till now. It's a baby eagle. It's only 4 years old. That's the size of a baby. He's gonna fly. Keep your mouth closed because he shoots a lot of vanilla. Yesterday it fell on my face, but it was tasting like mango. So careful all the way. He's gonna fly jet. He's looking. Hold your babies. Getting ready for Andre. Take it for the big one. Take it for salute. No, they're gonna take it up together for flying jet. Ready for all set. Andre the Giant is a stellar sea. It's a sea eagle. Woo! Look at him. He's so amazing, mashallah. Now, mummies and daddies, everybody can come down to take picture with one of the wonders in Dubai. That's a wonder because that's only eagle. You wear the gloves. He will sit on your hand, you raise your hand up and take a family picture after the show. Where are you guys going? Welcome, the national bird of Brazil. Who is it, DJ? The Sanconians. Here we are. Now, everybody will put some food on your hand. You open your hands out. The birds will fly down to your hand one by one to start eating all the food. Look at them. Many of them will be sitting all over your body, all over your hand. They are amazing. Bye bye. Masalama. Thank you, trainers. Thank you, DJ.
എല്ലാവർക്കും തന്നെ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെന്ന് കരുതുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ഇനിയും ഒരു അടിപൊളി വീഡിയോ ആയിട്ട് നമുക്ക് കാണാം. താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്. ബൈ.